Hey you guys, welcome to RhitznRoots. It is 10 o'clock at night and I'm like so excited for tomorrow. It is the premiere of my From the Garden Fridays and I'm really looking forward to having you guys see a recipe for the very first time. I took my kids outside because we were looking for bugs, mainly scorpions. We found some crazy ones, but I decided to turn on the camera because on the east side of my house, this is east facing this way. Hopefully you guys can see me okay. Sorry, I'm just kind of doing a quick video. But this is the east of Las Vegas, the east side of my house. This is that raised bed. In the front of the raised bed, you will see there are these white Arabian Jasmines, which they always come white. I don't know why I said that, sorry. But they open up in the evening. As you can see, they're so pretty. And for the most part, in the beginning of spring, they come back alive and start sprouting more leaves and not flowers just yet. But it is beginning of summer. It's getting hot. I have hit them just as usual every year with some chelated iron because they always, for some reason, during the spring start getting these leaves with yellow. The leaves turn yellow, and then the stems are green, like the inside veins of the leaves are green. So that means it's lacking of iron. I don't know what it is about this area of my garden that does that a lot. So I hit them up with chelated iron and they're doing much better now. As you can see, leaves are nice and green, and as well these beautiful flowers, as I mentioned, they are just everywhere and there's flower buds all over the place. I did my usual Memorial Day, Memorial Day fertilization, and then as well I hit them up with the chelated iron, as I mentioned, and they just doubled up. Look how much flowers that are coming up. This one that I'm showing you, I actually propagated about 3 years ago. It came in a small stem, probably about this big, and put them in the ground when we moved here, and that's what that one looks like. And then I do have 3 more other ones right there that I bought from Star Nursery, doing just fine. They were only $5, which is a great deal, and they remind me of home a lot. Home as in the Philippines, if you don't know yet. But yeah, we used to make leis with these, and as you can see, of all the blooms that I have, that is up and coming, and the smell is intoxicating. That's what kind of sent me to come over this way. I was looking around in the backyard over there, checking out my kids, making sure no one's falling in the pool, and I just smelt it. So I had to come over here, and when I smelt it and seen all the flowers, I had to come and show you guys. So you see how beautiful they are. Let's head on out in the front and I'll show you guys my third one. It's like 10:20, almost 10:30. And I'm sure my neighbors are probably like, what is this girl doing? That's okay. See, this is the one that's up front. I don't know if you guys can see. This one is the one that's up front. And you'll see, look at all the flowers all over there. I can pretty much just harvest these now and start threading them up. Hey, thanks, Paris. But sorry, it's kind of like low light. I'm just trying to take a quick video for you guys. But yeah, As you can see, there's a bunch of flowers. So these flowers, during the daytime, they'll grow. By evening, before the sun goes down, you'll see that they're kind of like bulbs halfway open like this one. And then they fully open. As soon as the sun really goes down, they start opening like those. These guys are amazing. They do very well here in Las Vegas. If you want something that's ornamental and smells really, really good and that you can do other things with, Arabian Jasmines are amazing. And during the winter time, I have to cut these down and then I propagate them. I did miss the last 2 winters, which I will probably do that again this year. If anyone is interested, let me know. And I may include that into some of my giveaways. I'm working on other things for giveaways right now. Working on partnering with some places, and we'll see where that goes, and then we can have better giveaways in the future. Aside from that, it's all about gardening. I made some changes here and there, added some irises, and I moved my, that is a bird of paradise. Doesn't look too well, but this is new growth on it. My house here, this is the front of my house, and it is facing north. And this gets a lot of sun, and my gardener that came and helped me with the raised bed, putting, as you can see there, the caps on the new raised bed that we built. He said that wouldn't do well, but you know what? You never know. I do pretty well with a lot of things. Things that are dying tend to come back alive for me, and as you can see, that's great hope. So we'll keep you guys posted on that. Here's another one that I got in here, and same thing. Anyway, back to the Arabian Jasmines. Sorry. As usual, I go on a tangent about things. Close that up and lock it up here in a minute. So yeah, these are, again, the Arabian Jasmines. I just really wanted to quickly show you guys. Stay tuned. Tomorrow, I have a new video. Again, it is going to be the premiere of From the Garden Fridays. So, until next time, you guys, thank you so much for joining me here at RhitznRoots, and we'll see you again next time. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, and as well follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks, guys. We'll see you again soon. Bye.